Omusika no was row 2. Omo formal and then an official bid. AC Milan no a first verbal offer. And it's a development, no, now, why would AC Milan chase after Pulisic? They see him as an ideal slot, and as a player on the slot here, they are called 1. Baby and Brahim Diaz type on the number 10 position, and then the right wing. Into more 2 positions, and if they get a versatile player, and it's a Christian Pulisic, or Betima Jumanis said, now they had these options: Marcus Thuram, Christian Pulisic, Daichi Kamada, Adam Traore and Samuel Chukwueze. These were the options. Geoffrey Moncada lining up. Thuram out of the picture because Marcus Thuram joining Inter Milan. Pulisic has shot up because on immediately under Marcus Thuram. Yes. Thuram uniwa yeko Pulisic. Then Daichi Kamada there is a verbal agreement in terms of personal terms with the player. But the next move Enyankoye from the club. Ni Nane said there is a consideration. Ewo Italy no, ye were players from EU players and non-EU players. Okay. EU players here players or move free the European Union. Non-EU players here players or move free Amaya or more join European Union. Now to add non-EU players to a list, there are certain requirements BSO meeting. So this particular summer transfer window, I was at Milan register 2 non-EU players. So person to register more. It means that those non-EU players no more less than so. It has said omu secure EU passport amomo and I said omu tomo and so they acquire a foreign club. So as it stands, AC Milan was just 1 non-EU player to satisfy. Ain't na Daichi Kamada move omu shedan ko menim. And that is how come Adam Traore and so Abba into the picture. Or ye Spanish, wa ball England near there. So slotting mean in no any problem on farm because or ye EU player. And I think Samuel Chukwueze or a non-EU player, but or the opportunity so obetiminya a Spanish passport because what not Spain ache. So Milan are looking at all these options say betimi abua. But the case of Pulisic is different. Already Pulisic will Croatian passport. Nena na free Croatia. So if they get Christian Pulisic on funny American passport name so on Mambe occupy the non-EU slot now. A Bellemeti AC Milan. So they want to chase after him, but problem is Sika. Would they be able to match Olympic Lyonnais offer of 25 million? Of course. And also the valuation at Chelsea should share not less than 25, or more per 25 or more. So Milan will need to step up by 11 million euros more to make sure say dear Lyon for no offer no. They were able to match it and then Pulisic already there will agree the transfer with Ayer Bobukwa. Your friend is say AC Milan dada. So any problem and famano. The next one, Brandt your friend is Alvaro Morata.
Where agent menu is?
Morata joins Football Star.
More agency there.
Agency near popular. Agency no running across board and we influential.
Oh, okay.
Now Football Star no, they will meet AC Milan in Penny for this week. And Common Bejina say, "Omo person Morata, but Morata kind of 1 year." The contract on Atletico Madrid war. So he will come a bit cheaper. 20 million euros Obenyano. You can even negotiate and beat down the price to bear 50 million euros. And the Omo yani so Omo in Koma. Whenever be a viable competition for Brandt offense Olivier Giroud. Giroud in 37 years. And to own team bomb matches in the door. So they will need another center forward, another striker. Or be Olivier Giroud stiff competition and even times Olivier Giroud and Bono be shemwa on shade who difference here, and they think this guy comes cheaper. Or also was Serie A experience into Oba be shemwa ebeboa and Serie A no. So when the 30 years of grass, still you can come in there and play. And ya dia ebenya any physical way be our a year player and so irrespective of age. Ain't na Jekomo or Mutimi Boche Giroud now at 37. So Morata at 30, they see him as an optional or ye cheaper experience obetimi aboa the particular AC Milan project now to Barcelona. Barca news are bano twofold. There is this journalist, your friend Roger Torreo, Jumama Mundo Deportivo. Now Roger Torreo had 2 important news about Nanopa. One, Bakoya Brantier Victor Roque. Victor Roque abofrekumo bonebono ewo Brazil. He's a player Barca have agreed principally say omobe funded the number. Now the akane nyoma ba kumienu miensa. As it stands, according to Roger Torreo, Abranti offense Victor Roque deal no 99% done.
Yes.
Nessa aka papers kakra ba kumienu bi ntiase ba kumienu bi ebeko. Omo wie pe. The announcement is expected in the course of the week. All other things being equal. Announcement ne ba boy no enjoy Barca enemenim ya. Obebo e won a club. Then oba until January 2024. Barca will consider bringing him on board because Omujidi say he still needs more game time to be sharp. Our bet may deliver. Odi no ton chanya. Odi never see say ya. Obey deputy de Ama Lewandowski. Enya de aye bench Lewandowski. Now we na babebo. So Barca wants him to gain more playing experience. And the moment he comes, he will slot in and deliver. And Tanya Bakon. The next one, and so ya branch FN say Ada Güler. Güler a Turkish, 19 years. Barca edikain, but in CHR hini phobi a year room. In CHR hini no me babechrim. Now this boy will meet a year Fenerbahce president Ali Koch Obeshiano Ochina. Oceana or the better name said this is the destination our person Koni Nane said Fenerbahce receiving more than one bid for Ada Güler. But Barca now taking the best initiative. Deko Kokoshiano, Deko Nine Dinkomo, Deko Aseli project in the channel. Into boy na Junimuni na no Barca na kwakwe. Now the Okakwa catcher Fenerbahce president and say he wants to join Barca. But Madrid ACH3 using Omo ambassador Roberto Carlos. Carlos Eboma Fenerbahce on Ali coach one now for Fabia Demufua. Now Carlos after Ali coach says so na boy ne babishiana on try to convince him say on delay ne Barca decision no na Madrid for ba.
On delay Barca
decision na Madrid for neighbor. And then there's someone who said Barca omo news outlets na started reporting Ada Güler decision imminent and will be decided what ya. It is because of the pressure they feel the Madrid and the neighbor.
Oh, okay.
So they want to pour more pressure on the boy to a channel copy. Then he decides. The boy has not decided yet. He will only meet Fenerbahce president, not in intention at all. But the Fenerbahce president might act as a de facto sporting director for Real Madrid.
Yes, Nadam for Pane, Mesut Ozil.
Mesut Ozil so I can't share the Sebastian on to not dream M1.
Oh, then they will be done there. We did done there. Mesut Ozil will be done there.
You have an interesting transfer El Clasico, Barca versus Madrid.
I mean, himself for Madrid, so Madrid they're down for Pane.
I am say Carlos, club no. Say Carlos is an ambassador for them. Carlos is the ambassador for Real Madrid. On a president named Tim go. So the only thing Madrid need now is a meeting between one Roberto Carlos, Emilio Butragueño, and a boy, the parent, and a mom representing. If they're able to convince them, Fenerbahce they'll bet one about Madrid.
Yeah.
So that is the only hurdle I was a Madrid for no almost scaling.
Niska, Barca Niska. After the Santos, someone can't share it. Apart from that is a be in fact. I
really do so now.
Judas. To another. I'm fat.
Taliban.
I was there.
Taliban. Say, I don't run Taliban. You're funny Taliban.
I'm fat. But I haven't finished Judas.
Now, I brought you that's here, Maskellman. Maskellman na Endra Napoli for no Efre Wolves for say, or manage a branty. A branty angasa, Unimska Wolves for Tia de Torno. £40,000. So I work of hard from Maidenhead. £40,000. I know what boss now. Napoli presented 35 million euros. So more per Maskellman. Now £40,000.
There is a bishop of Atlanta called Luca Diala. Called me a ball in the air. For papa.
So I work of Losa.
Okay.
I know more developing now. Maskellman and Ralph and they buy from Napoli at 35 million euros. Who's one who is kind of some family say come on pebe being fat.
Almost one money.
Dabi. Because Oman will say Napoli for Nijiska from Bayern.
Oh, okay.
For Kim Min-jae. Napoli here boy away as a replacement for Kim Min-jae. And it is a more Bayern scanner necessary for 50 million euros. I don't know more 35. More than Kamunche Bukra. Wolves want to say they will accept a bid in the region of 40 to 45 million euros. So Napoli for now already almost answered and yes, this boy is not available for 35 million euros. But this is the first offer. First offer need to be quite. They say be a meme ton idea. Oh now buy better. Or buy idea. At the end of the year 200. Or buy as well. Mema 80,000. I can sack you outrightly. After minti will be on. And I say me will be a many abresa me ton idea now. I will engage you. maybe I say raise price. So Napoli and Wolves are likely to keep on engaging concerning Max Kilman. Kim Menjai Kono Obenya Ko because of the development involving Wolves and Napoli concerning Kilman. So Obekwa in the next 10 days, expect say this transfer will become a reality. Kim Menjai from Napoli to Bayern Munich in the next 10 days. Training say Bibia betimi to Tomoa. Abrante ne be joining. This week, Orientim Badiano in the next 48 hours, expect an official announcement say Abrante no I ask for no who the Selua no muhuno no. A 41 million euros transfer fee. Then 5 million euros in terms of bonuses. Then Abrante and Ankasa Siko Ochiwa no. Or mat double in terms of wages and swear the amano. So he's going to earn close to £120,000. Now, Arsenal FR Branty we are. He's not just going to play as a centre back, or best also affiliate in as a right back. Time Arsenal for no ehiano. This deal will also likely be completed in the course of the week. Declan Rice to Arsenal. Adia omo negotiating on the structure. During the weekend, omo making headway in Tiasia Juma. Arsenal wants to pay the fee across 18 months. Now West Ham for no air pay. Say actually swano. So me say across 36 months. Now West Ham for no pay actually swa 18 months. So they are still negotiating. They bet me about do 24 months. Yes, Arsenal for no. Yeah, more 2 years. Say Abrante way no. The exact amount so mutia minus add-ons no. Arsenal for the best spread across. No bet me to na bibi akoni.
She wait for chat to mama. Na Bishop on bra.
Akache Bayern for ne say. Strong one. Memo mumboni delay concerning Kyle Walker.
Also, I'm on the bar.
Exactly. Now, Bayern for this issue near say, a branch of fence Benjamin Pavard, Wakaso nya Bayern no be free, but to be a buy.
So penal.
They be. And to Bayern for who say Pavard no wa, omokofa ways wa ba beka. So the issue now for Tuchel is say he needs to move Pavard before Kyle Walker comes. Bayern for na jia to say Pavard kope. That is the situation concerning Kyle Walker to Bayern Munich.
My cat, sorry, Boadu.